Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with AI trading bots, this dream might just become a reality. In today's video, I'm diving deep into the world of AI trading bots, what they are, how they work, and whether they're worth your time and investment. So stick around till the end, because this is a game changer. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized countless industries, and trading is no exception. But before we dive in, let's break it down. What exactly is an AI trading bot? An AI trading bot is a software application that uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze markets, predict trends, and execute trades, all automatically. Think of it as a super intelligent assistant that never sleeps and always monitors the market. So, how do these bots work? Here's a simple breakdown. They analyze vast amounts of data, like historical prices, market news, and technical indicators. They use advanced algorithms to spot trading opportunities. And finally, they execute trades in milliseconds, faster than any human could. Some bots even have machine learning capabilities, meaning they learn and adapt over time, improving their strategies based on past performance. Why are so many traders turning to AI bots? Here are the top benefits. Speed. They're lightning fast at analyzing data and making trades. Accuracy. Bots remove emotional bias, no panic selling or fear of missing out buying. 24/7 trading. Unlike humans, bots don't need sleep, making them perfect for crypto markets. Efficiency. They handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks involved too. Let's be real. AI trading bots aren't magic money machines. Here's what you need to know about the risks. Market volatility. Bots can struggle in highly unpredictable markets. Dependency on data. Bad data in equals bad trades out. High-quality bots can be expensive to set up and maintain. That's why it's crucial to do your research and start small when using any trading bot. Now let's talk about some popular AI trading bots in the market. Tools like 3 Commas, Crypto Hopper, and MetaTrader offer a range of features for beginners and advanced traders alike. Each has its pros and cons, so make sure you pick one that fits your trading style. So, should you use an AI trading bot? Well, it depends. Are you someone who trades frequently and wants to save time? Are you comfortable with the risks involved? And do you have a basic understanding of how markets work? If you answered yes to these, then AI trading bots might be worth exploring. But remember, no bot guarantees profits. Always trade responsibly. And that's a wrap on AI trading bots. Are you already using one, or are you thinking about trying one out? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tech insights. See you in the next video.